In this video, we will show you how to adjust letter spacing and position. In general, you can transform text objects as any normal object. That is, you may rotate, slant, scale, stretch, etc. But what if you want to adjust spacing between the letters or their placement? Using the red handles that you get when you add or edit the text options, you can move the individual characters. You can also type a value to adjust the distance between the characters. But you can also adjust positioning and spacing using the node editor. When you start the node editor, you can change the position of a character and move it individually. You can also click and drag with your mouse to select multiple such nodes. When all nodes are selected, you can easily adjust letter spacing by dragging towards the direction you would like them to increase or decrease. Holding the Shift key down, you can adjust the spacing by keeping the same center point. Just like that, you can move individual letters or adjust their spacing and make your design unique.